The late Maya Angelou's 1969 autobiography, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, was nominated for a National Book Award in that year. Unfortunately, the book is also listed as one of the most frequently challenged books of the 21st century. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings has had 39 public challenges or bans since 1983. Those opposed to the book point to its offensive language, graphic portrayal of childhood rape, racism, violence, homosexuality, and its sexually explicit nature. Despite all of the opposition it has received, in 2011, Time magazine named the book one of the 100 best and most influential books written in English since the magazine's beginning in 1923. It has been used in high schools and universities, and the book has been celebrated for creating new literary avenues for the American memoir. For more information on banned or challenged books, go to ala.org.